Okay, so on this website, first you need to go into Schoology, then you need to click on this actual site. It's called techengineering.org. This was a barometer, okay? So it gave you the materials and the instructions on how to make the actual barometer. Then it gives you important tidbit information in these bullet points. And it gives you examples of what the water is going to look like on your barometer. Pay attention to this. Stormy weather, low pressure, look at that. The water is under the line. Clear weather, sunny weather, high pressure. Remember, high pressure is happy weather. You have that water going over the water line. So we'll be able to find out something here. And how are you going to track this? Well, some of us don't have a printer at home. Some of us, our printer doesn't work. It's okay. All I'm going to do is take this worksheet, take this graph, and just draw my own on this paper. Nothing fancy. So I'm just going to copy that real quick. I'm going to copy those bars. Let's see, we have time of observation. So your time is at 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. that you went outside to check. You're going to check it each day or night. So I get up around 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to make myself always check at 8 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to write 8 a.m. So that way I know that I need to go outside. Just kind of like keeps yourself on track. Okay, draw your line. The next one is water level in 2-liter bottle. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Now what does that mean? That means, is the water above or is it under the line? So you write, let's pretend the time, so it's 8 a.m. and it is above line. Okay, the next step, water level in plastic cup. So water level plastic cup. Real quick. Okay, so if the water is above in the 2-liter bottle, then what might it look like in the plastic cup? Let's think for a second. If it's above in the 2-liter, then it must be below in the plastic cup. Below. Okay, and the next one, the weather. It's a big deal here because that's what we are observing, predicting that weather. So we have weather. You can say if it's lousy or happy, okay? Lousy, happy. If it's lousy, maybe it's cloudy. Speaking of today, it's Saturday, roughly about 5 o'clock, and it's been lousy all day with rain. So that must have been just that low air pressure. Okay, so weather, it is, let's pretend that it was cloudy, rain, and this is what your chart will look like. I want you to observe the weather for roughly about, try to do 2 to 4 days, okay? And get yourself organized just like that.